हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल। आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है परसेंटेज डिफरेंशियल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ जनरेटर। सो इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द डिफरेंशियल प्रोटेक्शन. So the differential protection means that the vector difference between the two similar electrical quantities, and the electrical quantities means the voltage and current, but the main factor is that the two electrical quantities must be same. So this is the differential protection, but in the case of percentage differential protection is basically used for the protection of generator above 1 megawatt, and also it protect the winding fault, that is the phase to phase and phase to ground fault. So this is also called the biased differential protection or longitudinal differential protection. So here in this figure you can see that the polarity of the cities are represented. So there are two cities are here, the upper side cities and this one the lower side. This is the upper cities and this is the lower city. So the polarity is represented here, that is plus and minus, the polarity is represented. So the green line shows that the current of IA, and the purple is showed the IB, and blue line IC, current flows from the cities. And there is the bias coil, you can see that this is the bias coil is that, and this is the operating coil. Okay, so in the case of external fault, suppose the fault is lies externally, so you can see that this is the external fault is that. So fault occurs in line A. So in case of fault occur outside the zone, the polarity, the current will flow, that is you can see that the current is flowing IA. So here the current is flowing IA, and from upper cities the current is flow IA from upper cities, while lower cities the current is flowing like this. So you can see that the lower city current is flowing from IA dash. Okay, so both the IA flowing from this side and IA flowing from this side, upper and lower cities, both the current are cancel out. So in this case the relay will does not operate because the current is cancelled out from both the case, and fault lies outside the zone. So this is the case of the external fault. While in case of internal fault, suppose the fault is occurred inside the zone. So here if the fault is occur, you can see that in the figure the fault lies in this zone. So in this case the upper cities and lower cities that, so the polarity of the upper cities changes. So this is the polarity is changes of the upper cities. So the current flowing from this to flowing this side. Okay, so the current IA from this side, that is IA, and the from the lower cities, that is the lower cities. So the lower cities current flow from like this IA dash. So in this case both the current flowing in the same direction, so the relay will operate. So this is the restraining coil and this is the operating coil. So this is all about the external and internal fault. Suppose in the second case, suppose the fault occurs in this line. Okay, means IB, the fault occurs in the IB. So here in this case the polarity is reversed. Okay, so the polarity is reversed means current is flowing like this IB. Okay, and this will also flowing like this. So both the direction of the current is same. So this is the all about the percentage differential protection of generator. So two cases are considered, first is external and another is internal. In external cases the current is cancelled out because of upper cities and lower cities, but in case of internal fault polarity is reversed due to the fault occurs in the line A. So the current will be same direction and the relay will operate in this case. So this is all of the percentage differential protection. Thank you very much.